Guys, today we will go killing fireflies, and I'm gonna go filming, so I'm not gonna do anything.
Yeah, me too. No, I'm just gonna hammer this one.
Yeah, just gonna put my katana. Kill them. Let me do it. We do it. Ah!
Oh, did someone hit me in the forehead? I'm so mad, no mad, no mad. Is this a watermelon?
Good. Is it dead? Oh, there's one right there.
Whoa! Whoa!
Give me it.
Oh. Wait, Chala! I have an idea.
What? Okay, go. Kill them. Toyang, don't do that. You might throw it up there.
I got it real.
No, it will not work, Toyang. Don't do that. Oh! Just kill them. I'm gonna go stand on this table doing nothing while filming you.
Are you just gonna video me?
Yes. For views, alright? That's my goal, getting to 100 subscribers.
You need to subscribe right now for Chala!
Yes, that's true. Subscribe now.
Look
Or
at this. This looks good to you.
no, this ain't good. This ain't GUD.
Cockroach.
Where? I'll kill the cockroach.
Okay, just kill the cockroach. I'll kill this little
Die!
like
Die! Die!
die, you
It's dead.
Okay, there.
It's dead.
Good.
It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead.
You need to really subscribe for Chala. I'm getting mad at this one.
This is gonna take long, so I'm just gonna this.
If there's one more left, I'll die.
Ow! Ah! Ah! What the? Just wait. Yeah! Yeah!
Chala.
No!
Chala the door. Touch it. Oh my.
So I'm just gonna here.
If we are right there, we can only see that float. We are in that there.
Sorry, but I have no idea what you're saying right now.
You're just kidding.
Yeah, and why? Why not? Ah! Ah!
Just help me get right.
Ah!
Wait, I'll call him.
I need a pillow. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. Ah, can you get one?
Okay.
Okay.
Why do you need a pillow anyway?
I'm just gonna chill here.
Sabi ko nga eh. Ay, bakit sa iba yung mga ay kasi may pa-check up ang kapatid.
Close the door.
Where's the hammer?
Okay, under my feet. There. Yeah, I feel comfy now. But I feel warm. Egg. Ow! You hit me with the hammer. Ow! Why'd you hit me? I did nothing. Waradu. Eh,
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
I'm punching my brain for business.
I don't know. Maybe ask your mama.
Mama. Mama, just need to
Chill. Yeah, blah, blah. Wait. America? What's that? Oh, yeah, that's Amir. Amir Ika.
Did you send your friend?
Yes, that's Amir. One of my friends who commented on one of my shorts. Yeah, you should check his channel out. He makes great videos. And subscribe to him now.
Yung mga ginagawa sa lagyan natin ng mga dapat may news. Ano mo ba may community?
We just make videos, just not chilling.